Truth, everyone. Yeah, the foremost thing is like managing stress, juggling between studies, social life, extracurricular activities, family needs, financial concerns, and other issues which are there. It's like if we are trying something and that is not happening, it will really generate some negativity, and with this negativity, it will build up over a period of time, and it will really help us. It will really good physical exercise. I'll come to those things later. So I'll just take to the next slide. So I hope in what is this proactiveness in student life which you have to do, and I hope the third point is very important from you for you, that you should take ownership, and you should join this social connections. Uh, LinkedIn accounts, or you will be having your social connections very stronger, and that will and you will try to maintain those. You will try to be more active on LinkedIn as you are active on Facebook. Will you promise me this thing, guys? Is promising me. What about the other people? Okay, Pallavi, Arti, Suvarna, Vishal. Okay, great. Okay, Shivam, you're already on LinkedIn. That is great. Okay, great. So yes, so because of time constraint, I will just push ahead. You can ask me whatever your queries are. I will offline. I will try to support you on whatever your doubts are, so that you can get an easy access to the activities. Okay. So begin with the end in mind. So if you are getting admission in the first year of engineering, so it's like. What is at the end, you take admission in the first year in a way like last year में मेरे को degree चाहिए. I want a college degree. I want a degree wherein I can get certified with you are doing. You should do like you should understand what is the outcome of what I am doing right now. You should write your own philosophy. You should write your own mission belief system. You should have a proper mindset and a significant involvement in what you are doing. So having a significant involvement in what you're doing, you should have, having committed to something, you should be connected to that thing. Okay, so this is one thing. So I'll just help you understand. So how to write a mission statement is really important. So based on your values and your vision, you can write your mission statement. Like you see na, if you go in your college and if you go in your HOD's cabin, you find that there are things written like vision statement, mission statement. How many of you have read that mission and vision statement in your college? Wherever in your principal's office or your HOD's cabin, these things are written. So you see these things na. Can I get your answers? Have you read any mission or vision statement? Sorry. Please reply, guys. Guys, please reply fast. I need your replies. Great. So you should write your vision and mission statement. Like, what is your vision exactly in life? What is your mission exactly in the life? Okay. So this is really very important, and this is like something uh, which will help you for your entire life. Like, what is your vision? What is your mission? Uh, Let us come to it. You can just check personal mission and vision statements on Google, and this will really help you. Its leadership is a habit and it requires complete practice. Without practice, you cannot be a leader. So, if you want to become a leader, you should practice good things and you should have your mission and vision statements from today itself, so that you can read it daily or weekly or a monthly basis, and you can understand where you are standing into this. Okay. So, w- what we are, what we repeatedly do. This is like a habit. Excellence then is not an act, but it is an habit. So to become excellent, you should inculcate the habits, good habits, uh, from today itself. Okay. So the third habit is put first things first. So yes, so it's like prioritizing your activities. You should understand that मुझे आज क्या करना है. आज की डेट में, आज अगर लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ है, देर इज लॉकडाउन एंड देर इज एंटायर थिंग्स आर एट स्टेक एट दिस स्टेज. What is the first thing coming to my mind? What should I do? The first thing should coming to my mind. आज मेरे दिल में ये चीज आती है कि आज लॉकडाउन की वजह से यार कितना निगेटिव है, सब जगह पे कोरोना की वजह से इतना प्रॉब्लम है. मैं क्या करूंगा, आगे जॉब मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, what will happen for my future. This is a, I don't say this is a negative thinking. It's a thinking, like it's a practical thinking, moreover, I can say. But over to that, what you can do in this lockdown to get yourself in a better condition, in a better place, is something like you should act upon the negative situations. You should act upon the situations which are going bad against you. वो बोलते हैं ना, बहाव के अगेंस्ट आप swimming karna सीखो. You should swim against the tides. So this situation is really what it really requires. Like, you should prioritize your things. uh, Please understand, the real challenge is not actually to manage time, but it is to actually manage yourself. How many of you agree with this point of mine? The real challenge is not actually to manage time, but it is to manage yourself. Okay. So getting this point, how many of you agree with this point and how many of you don't agree with my point? Like, to manage yourself and not your time, to gain control of time, relating it to the mission. So if you have some mission statement and if you have some 24 hours, my 24 hours are same. Every human being in this world, all are having the same 24 hours. So if you have some mission statement and if you have some 24 hours, my 24 hours and your 24 hours are same. Every human being in this world, all are having the same 24 hours in a day. So this is important. What is urgent? So I'll just put one thing in front of you. So are you able to listen to me and are you able to see my screen? I'm properly audible and my screen is properly visible to you guys. Can I get your instant reply? Yes, I'm finding there is some internet issue, but I want it from you guys. Okay, everything's smooth, right? We are ready to go. Okay, so please put this quadrant, and uh, in the end of this session, I am going to share my mail ID, wherein you can just help me with what have you understood from this quadrant system. There is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Please understand, in Q1 there are the urgent and important activities which have to be done. So this is really very important. If there is some crisis is there, if someone is getting a heart attack and he has to be rushed to the hospital, so this is important also, and this is urgent also, because it was life का सवाल है उस बंदे के. So please understand what are the important and urgent things for you as of now. If tomorrow is an exam, it is utmost important to study today. हमने पीएल में स्टडी नहीं किया तो कम से कम आज स्टडी करके जितना हम लोग एग्जाम पास करने के लिए जितना रिक्वायर्ड है उतना स्टडी तो हम लोग कर सकते हैं एक इतने टाइम पीरियड में. सो इट इज अर्जेंट एंड इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर नॉट अर्जेंट एंड बट इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि ये कौन सी चीजें हैं कि दैट आर really important for me but not urgent. This quadrant is the most important quadrant for you, because you should say yes to quadrant 2, because in this corona situation you are here in this quadrant 2 because things are not much urgent for you. Okay, things are not urgent for you as of now. Exams have been cancelled, and college reopening has been scheduled in a later stage. So important thing for me is like planning of what I have to do and studying what I have to take care in the future. And what this is the only thing what effective people do. कल अगर आपको अंबानी बनना है तो आज आपको ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें करनी है. कल अगर आपको कोई बड़ा आदमी बनना है तो आज आपको ये चीजें करनी है. You have to list down what is important for you. Suppose learning some language is important for you. Suppose doing some classes is important for you. Having some online uh, teaching or some knowledge experience you have to take, that is important for you. And the quadrant Q3 and Q4 are not that much important. Quadrant Q4, not important, not urgent, is like chatting with friends, watching TV. Means I don't say that are not at all important and not at all urgent. Those are important. Leisure is really required for a healthy mind, but that things to be taken care on a minimal side. Means you should provide a minimum attention to quadrant Q4 and maximum attention to quadrant Q2 and Q1. Q1 is something you cannot avoid. कि आपको कुछ बॉडी में पेन हो रहा है, सपोज मेरे गले में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, आई एम हैविंग सम सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोविड 19, सो दिस इज एन अर्जेंट थिंग दैट आई शुड गो एंड गेट माई सेल्फ एडमिटेड समवेयर. सो that is a situation which is unavoidable. But the quadrant 2, there is this seventh habit which is related to this quadrant 2, that I will explain you in the next slides. Okay, so you guys understood what I wanted to say exactly. Quadrant 1 acts upon you, and quadrant 2 you act upon it. Okay, so quadrant 1 is like something is unavoidable, मुझे वो चीज करनी ही पड़ेगी. So quadrant 2 is like मैंने वो चीज अगर की तो हाँ मेरी जिंदगी खुशहाल बनेगी. So please understand what is quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Okay, so you guys understood the meaning of this quadrant system, urgent, important, quadrant. Great. So you have some doubts, you can ask me here instantly. I am here to take your questions. You can unmute yourself and can ask me questions. Please feel free to ask anything to me, because this will really help you in a long run. And this is something which is not limited to your engineering something. This is related to your life. So this will be a life changing activity, and you can really uh, आपको सवाल गिरते हैं, पर वो सवाल पूछने के लिए जो झिझक है वो झिझक तोड़ के आप मुझे सवाल पूछिए. आई एम रेडी टू आंसर यू. Do you feel some doubt in this quadrant system? Do you feel something you want to understand more? Please reply. I'll wait for 5 seconds. Okay, just a second. Okay, so Pallavi, you're understanding this quadrant system. Great. Only Pallavi is understanding this quadrant system. I am sorry, but what about other guys? Can I get your replies? Okay. So the fourth habit is you should think always in a win-win situation. This is okay, Shivam, you are also understanding. So think win-win. There is a difference between having a compromise and having a win-win situation. Compromise is something negative कि मुझे ये करना पड़ा इसलिए मैंने वो किया. पर win-win situation is like something, yes, मैंने ये किया क्योंकि ये जरूरी है, and this will really help to the things to flourish in future, or some activity which I am doing and keeping it is a win-win situation in mind, it will really help us somewhere. So ये हर एक जगह पे applicable है. Like try going in a win-lose situation. विन विन बोले तो यू एंड द काउंटर पार्ट, आप है और आपका आपकी फैमिली है, आपके फ्रेंड्स है, आपके कंपनी है, आपका कॉलेज है. इफ यू हैव अ विन विन सिचुएशन, लाइक इफ इन एग्जाम यू से दैट मैं पढ़ाई करके मेरे मेरे को भी अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे और मेरे कॉलेज का भी नाम रोशन होगा. लाइक आई विल टॉप इन द यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर सम सब्जेक्ट ऑफ योर लाइकिंग. So this is a win-win situation. This is something which is win-win. In your college, if you are thinking uh, like it is a collaborative way of understanding things, like you and your organization in future, you and your institute as on today. So if you go in a lose-win situation, like your college is losing and you are winning, so this is a customer is at affect, customer is getting affected. So there is other way around, like you are winning and your counterpart is losing, or you are losing, your counterpart is winning, you are at loss. So please understand that if you win, the counterpart loses, then there is the loss of that counterpart. Suppose your organization, if you are winning, if you are in a good situation and your company is not getting support of that thing, then the company is at stake. So please understand, this is a really very confusing thing, that having a compromise and having a win-win situation. Win-win situation is like balancing your courage and consideration. It is like you are giving self-respect to yourself, and in return you are also respecting others. Okay, so I'll just take you through this. So this is like, you should you should think what you have to do. You should think that whether you have to lose or you have to win. So self respect, if you don't have it, the world will walk all over you. So you should love yourself, you should give self respect to yourself, and with the same time you should respect others also. So respecting others as you would respect yourself. So you should respect others the way you respect yourself. आप खुद को ये चीजें देते हो ना, आप सेल्फ गिफ्ट करते हो कभी कभी. यू लव योर सेल्फ. यू आईने में देख के आप खुद के ऊपर प्यार जताते हो ना, हम खुद को रिस्पेक्ट देते हो ना, तो ये ऐसा ही रिस्पेक्ट आपने सामने वाले को देना है. इन दिस वे, दिस इज रियली अ गिव एंड टेक ऑफ थिंग्स. सो you should be confident, considerate, sensitive, brave, and the essence of the this is the essence of the first three habits. Win-win situation is like, I am not making any compromise in something. Take anything as an example in your college. Like if you are doing some project for the college, if you are doing your final year project which is really helping your college, and for the coming 10 years, if you design something, if you make some software which is really helpful for your college, you both are in a win-win situation, because it is building your profile also, and it is supporting your college also. So have you guys understood this win-win situation, or this thinking win-win habit? Can I get a quick reply so that I can move forward? There is really less time left and we have to really move fast. So this is one important habit which is like which is the intermediate point of the first three habits. So can you just tell me what are the first three habits or first four habits which have come now? Can you just type it down? uh, any any two habits out of the four habits, can you just type it down so that I can understand that yes, you we are on the same page and you are getting me? Can I just get? Okay, Pallavi, you're saying be proactive. आई नीड फास्ट फास्ट रिप्लाईज गाइज। हम लोग चैटिंग में व्हाट्सएप पे कितना फास्ट हम लोग टाइप करते हैं, उतना ही फास्ट आप इधर टाइप करेंगे तो बहुत सही रहेगा। बिगिन विद द एंड इन माइंड। ओके, you should self respect. Self respect is not a habit, it's a sub habit. In think win-win situation, self respect is coming. Okay, so let's move forward. uh, Great. So this is the utmost important thing what has to be taken care. दोस्तों, आपको लगता है ना कि कोई मेरी बात सुने? आप कभी भी किसी भी ग्रुप में जब आप बात करते हो तब सामने वाला आपको सुनता है। ये सब चीजें कब होती है आपको पता है क्या? व्हेन आप सामने वाले को समझ के लेते हो तब सामने वाला आपको समझ के स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग थिंग्स ऑफ अदर पीपल, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ अदर्स। ये दोस्ती का पहला उसूल है कि एक वी आर इन द लिसनिंग मोड, क्या बोलते हैं ना उसको, कि वी वी शुड एंड वी आर लिसनिंग टू समवन। कोई इफ समवन इज हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम और आप उसके पास जाके बोलते हो ए कुछ नहीं, तेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, बहुत छोटा प्रॉब्लम है, तू ये क्या कर रहा है, ऐसा बोल के उसको क्या बोलते हैं ना उसको अवॉइड अगर करने को गए उसके सिचुएशन को, तो ही विल नॉट बी connected with you. So the best way to get into a relationship with someone or get into some bonding with someone, you should first understand his concerns. हम लोगों ने सामने वाले को समझ के लेना है पहले, एंड listen to other people. We should understand the situation, we should understand the problem, and then we should pitch in if it is really required to speak, if it is really required to share our experience with them, if it is really required to be proactive in that he needs your help, problem क्या है। there are people in this world who really needs to get understood. कोई तो सुनना चाहिए, कोई तो बात करने के लिए चाहिए। वो एक बीच में पिक्चर आया था ना, वो वो लड़की का आवाज निकलता था उस पिक्चर में, क्या नाम है उस पिक्चर का? आपको याद है? आपने देखी है आयुष्मान खुराना की फिल्म ड्रीम गर्ल? ओके, तो ड्रीम गर्ल मूवी में वो क्या करता है, वो क्या बोलता है, आपने वो बात सुनी थी क्या? इस दुनिया में इतने लोग हैं कि उन टू गेट इनटू कनेक्शन in your life. Get good relations, get good friends, get good team formed for you. You will become general managers, you will become vice president of companies in the future. But if you don't understand the situation, if you don't understand the people, then what is the use? You will not get succeeded in your life. So the quickest method to make a bond with someone is to understand. Should so Winston Churchill from England, he was the politician from England. He was the head of the uh, head of the region there. And what he said is like the courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. So empathetic listening is very important. सामने वाले को समझ के उससे बात करना, उसको सुनना, ये आज की जिंदगी में, आज की दुनिया में बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू। if you do this na guys, you will, I'll bet you, in coming 7 to 8 days, if you inculcate this habit, you will, I bet you, you will give me a WhatsApp and you will just put a message to me that Omkar, I really tried this habit and it really works. आपके घर पे भी आपके घर वालों से भी बात करो। देयर आर टाइम्स लाइक वी आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वी आर नॉट talking with our family members also. So do this thing from today. आपके फादर के साथ, मदर के साथ, आपके भाई बहन या रिलेटिव्स, इन लोगों के साथ बैठो, उनको समझने की कोशिश करो, उनके प्रॉब्लम्स को समझो. दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू टू डायमेंड योर पर्सनालिटी विल रियली गेट मल्टी डायमेंशनल एंड really it will be a colorful way in a virtual thing, what I should say. So this is really important, please understand. Okay, the sixth point is synergize. Synergize बोले तो you have to collaborate. We all work in team. हमारा थर्ड ईयर का बीई का प्रोजेक्ट जो रहता है, हम अकेले प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं क्या? कभी कभी अकेले करते हैं, कोई मिनी प्रोजेक्ट हो गया, कोई छोटा प्रोजेक्ट हो गया, बट फॉर बिगर बिगर प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हाट वी डू इज लाइक वी सिनर्जाइज. हम चार लोग चार अलग अलग जगहों से आते हैं एंड वी वी गेट इन टच विथ ईच अदर एंड हियर वी वी एज अ टीम वी वर्क हियर. हमारे कॉलेज में होता है ना, व्हेन फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट्स वी ऑल सिनर्जाइज एंड वी मेक समथिंग वेरी गुड. बिकॉज एक अकेले का काम नहीं है कोई प्रोडक्ट बाहर लाना. ये कंपनीज है, देर आर बिग बिग कंपनीज, देर आर बिग बिग आईटी कंपनीज, यू नो. सो कोई प्रोडक्ट या कोई सॉफ्टवेयर या कोई जो टूल आप बनाते हो, कोई अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर आप किसी के लिए बनाते हो, कोई मोबाइल की ऐप आप बनाते हो, तो एक आदमी का काम है कि वो ऐप बनाना? नहीं. या एक आदमी का काम है क्या कंपनी पूरी चलाना? नहीं. देर आर पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टीम्स. लाइक देर इज समवन फ्रॉम पैकेजिंग टीम, देर इज समवन, कोई मोबाइल बना रहे हैं हम लोग, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. There is someone from communications, there is someone from hardware, there is someone from software. IT people are there who are developing that app, a background support tool for that mobile phone, that firmware you are developing. So एक अकेले का काम नहीं है. If we synergize together, if we collaborate together, if we have a proper communication, respect, and have creative minds, we can come together and synergize. So synergy is an important thing. टीम बिल्डिंग जो रहता है, that activity is synergy. Okay, so when people begin to interact together, so this is the important thing, like what is actually compromise and what is synergy. Compromise bole to we are doing something really for that thing to happen. When people begin to interact together genuinely and they are open with each other's influence, they begin to gain new insight. So the compatibility, the capability of inventing new approaches is increased exponentially because of differences. So synergy जो, I work in Bangalore, so Bangalore में क्या होता है, आप अगर एक कैब में अगर चार लोग बैठे हो, वो एक ऐप रहता है ना, मोबाइल ऐप, शेयरिंग ऐप, उसे चार लोग बैठते हैं ना कैब में, वो कार में बातें करते करते उनका एक कंपनी तैयार हो जाता है, एक स्टार्टअप खोल लेते हैं वो लोग. ऐसा चलता है बैंगलोर में या फिर बड़े बड़े companies. It's like brilliant mind coming together, synergizing together, and putting all their efforts together to making a good product. Are you getting this point? So, are you getting what I mean? What is synergy exactly? Are you understanding this point? समझ में आ रहा है ना आप सबको? और so great. Okay, so I'm taking you to the last and utmost important habit of this today's session, and that will really help you understand three means that अर्जेंट इंपॉर्टेंट का कुछ तो मैंने बताया था ना. तो क्वाड्रेंट थ्री क्या है एग्जैक्टली? कैन यू जस्ट गाइस टेल मी what was quadrant 3? I told you na, in the next habit, which is the last habit, I'll take you to the last habit, that quadrant 3. I will explain you. Can you just get your reply what was quadrant 3? Please guys, we need to be very fast. Yeah, sorry Sandeep and Pallavi, I'm really sorry. It's some meeting interruption, popular activities. No, 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 no. I'll just take you to the quadrant 3. अरे बाप रे, Okay. So I will take you to this quadrant. Okay. So quadrant 2 जो है, sorry, I'm sorry. Uh, quadrant 2 की बात कर रहा था मैं. What is quadrant 2? So what is can you just explain some activity from quadrant 2? That was quadrant 3. I'm really sorry. I'm talking about the quadrant 2. मैंने quadrant what is the meaning of sharpen your axe? आपने देखा है मूवी कटप्पा बाहुबली? बाहुबली का मूवी तो देखा है ना हम सबने? प्लीज गाइस, प्लीज, देखा है ना? मेरे को विशाल और पल्लवी दोनों ही मेरे से बात करते हुए दिखते हैं, बाकी के लोग कुछ बात ही नहीं कर रहे. आई विल जस्ट गो थ्रू. क्षितिजा, हर्षदा, प्रवीण, वर्षा. तो वो मूवी में वो जो बंदा आता है, उसका जो तलवार आता है, यू जस्ट विजुअलाइज दैट थिंग. वो तलवार, वो बोलता है कि मैंने ये तलवार बहुत यहाँ वहां से लाई है, बहुत दूर दूर से, कहाँ कहाँ से, बहुत फॉरेन कंट्री में से लाई है. और कटप्पा क्या करता है? वो तलवार टूट जाती है कटप्पा के साथ जब वो तलवारबाजी करता है उस टाइम. तो ये जानो ये चीज कि वो कितना निष्णात था, वो कितना he had that much excellence in his work. So what I mean to say is like you should get attentive to what your goals are, and you should, from today itself you should try to sharpen your axe there. आपकी जो skills है, if you are very passionate about artificial intelligence, if you are passionate about things like machine learning or anything in your IT field, I'm saying there are 50 areas in IT area wherein you can choose one and be a master of that thing. वो there is a saying na, jack of all trades and master of none. So we don't want to become a jack of all trades, we have to become a master of one thing. So that will really help you in your future. So you do one thing from today. Please understand your micro niche. What is your micro niche? Micro niche बोले तो एक niche होता है और एक micro niche होता है. तो your niche is IT field. Like you know what, where you are. Like that minds of same interest if coming together and making that thing happen, that is really very effective way of presenting your things. So we are 26 people now. आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिनको किसी पैशन में इंटरेस्ट है, किसी को आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में कुछ करना है, या आपने कुछ करियर, आपका गोल डिसाइड किया होगा ना? कैन आई जस्ट गेट इट, कैन आई जस्ट गेट इट व्हाट यू रियली हैव माइंड इज प्रोडिंग यू. सो आरती, यू आर सेइंग मशीन लर्निंग, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, इसमें भी आप एक माइक्रो निश ढूंढो. लाइक मशीन लर्निंग इज अ वेरी वास्ट सब्जेक्ट. आज की डेट में क्या हो गया है, आईओटी, मशीन लर्निंग, दिस हैज बिकम वेरी वास्ट. मशीन लर्निंग में